Good morning. It's raining a bit, but it's like obviously not a problem. But yeah, right now we are going to hike a bit over there. This is the famous bridge in Tromso, which spans across the river. This side looks a bit, well, not that great, but this side we can see some light. This is how high it is. I wouldn't probably jump from here as I did in Hvar in Croatia. Could be like 30 meters probably. Also the mountains in the back, if you can see. Other mountains over here. Other mountains in the back. So we're basically aiming to go right over there. Yeah, we can see the bridge from here. The bridge we walked through. So this is the cathedral, and over there seems like we're getting some nice views of the mountains. We cannot say the same about the other side. I like how these houses are built, you know, just like wooden houses. I love the fact that, well, in the morning it looked very cloudy, but it's clearing up, so the visibility is improving. By the way, this is the route. There's already snow over here, some form of that. And yeah, we're ascending, as you can see. There is the cathedral, there is the bridge. We also wanted to go over here at night, or like better said after dark, but we don't have any light or anything, so better go over here right now and then just explore the city. Alright, we're up, we made it. So this is the view. I mean, there's quite a lot of snow, as you can see. I also tried to make a hyperlapse by sticking the GoPro in my pocket over here, so hopefully it gives good results. Plenty of stairs, but it was manageable. Yeah, so basically like this. This is how it looks like, this much snow. Down there, literally no snow, but over here it definitely snows. Yeah, I think we were a bit lucky, because you can see it has cleared up enough to be able to see. We actually wanted to go down, like right now, but then we saw that it was like clearing up, so we were like, nah, let's stay here for a couple of minutes more, and I think it was worth it. So yeah, I think it's time to go down. I'm quite cold, honestly.
Me
but
too.
Friend is also cold. So apparently the battery cut off because it was too cold. What I was saying is that we were going to, you know, go down because it's going to be dark in roughly 2 hours. So yeah, it's about 1 p.m. and this is how it looks like. I'll make an update in roughly 1 or 2 hours to see the difference. Look at the water. It's just like super clear. After a short rest at the accommodation, we decided to go and see some places in the town. Of course, I mean, we haven't seen anything the previous day. The mission is still up. I still have to find a shop where I can buy a belt. Guys, mission successful. Look at this. I was able to buy a belt. I don't know why it's like that on camera, but like it looks a bit different on the camera, as I can see. It's like more yellowish. Interesting point of view the camera has. Update, it's getting much darker and it's around 2 p.m. It's basically not even 3 p.m. and it's already dark. Today we're over there I have to say it's not very cold. You can feel the fingers freezing a bit, but overall it's fine. The bridge, not to forget it, it's over there, spans. Look at how tall it is. It's probably like, I looked it up on the internet, it was like 38 meters. Sometime later, it's 3:15, it's 3:16 p.m. and it's dark. This is like 3:30 p.m. and it's completely dark, as if it was midnight. The best thing right now is probably to go somewhere inside. One of the possibility, one of the option is to go to the Polar Museum. Yeah, I would say it's definitely worth it, especially if you're a student or under 18. You get a free ticket inside, otherwise it costs like 10 euros. In case you're wondering, 1 liter of gasoline in Norway right now costs 2.26 euros, and 1 liter of diesel costs 2.55 euros. I might actually set an alarm clock for 4 in the morning, because maybe the aurora is going to be visible. See you tomorrow, or very early in the morning. So, well, it's like 4:30 in the morning, because I saw the weather forecast for aurora to be like very great, but unfortunately there's no aurora in the sky. But never mind, I mean, at least I went to this viewpoint and the sky is very clear, like over here, so hopefully you're also able to see the mountains in the back. But this is still a very good, I would say, a viewing point, a very good view. But also I'm quite happy about the fact that like in a few hours we're flying to a very special place.